Get ready for the dictation. Start. It is a fact that a similar petition moved by the third accused of this case has considered and granted anticipatory bail in criminal miscellaneous number 371 bar 2013 wide order dated 4/3/2013. The case of the petitioners herein also stated on the same footing as that of the petitioner of criminal miscellaneous number 371 bar 2013 full stop. The dispute is civil in nature full stop. The petitioners are not criminals full stop. Nature of allegations do not call for their custodial interrogation full stop. The offense alleged are triable by JMFC court full stop. Though charge sheet is filed, there is no impediment to grant anticipatory bail since the petitioners apprehend, arrest full stop. Hence, I answer above point for consideration in the affirmative and proceed to pass the following: order. The petition is allowed full stop. Para. The petitioners are granted anticipatory bail in crime number 62 bar 2012 of Soladevanahಳ್ಳಿ police station for a limited period of 30 days full stop. Para. Within the above period, they shall surrender before the jurisdictional magistrate court and move for regular bail petition. Full stop. In that event, comma, the learned magistrate shall give opportunity to both the parties and dispose of the application in accordance with law. Full stop. Until disposal of the regular bail petition, comma, the benefit of this order shall ensue in favor of the petitioners. Full stop. If they are arrested before surrendering to the court, comma, they shall be released on bail on their executing self bond for Rs 50,000 each, with one surety for the like sum to the satisfaction of the investigating officer. Full stop. Stop.